What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to get an invisible name on Steam. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Steam. After typing, you will see this first official website of Steam. Click on this website and after clicking, you will be redirected to the landing page of Steam. Now from here at the right side on the top, you will see the option of login. Simply click on login and then log in with your email and password. Now, after you have logged in, just click on this profile on your profile and then click on view my profile. After clicking on view my profile, you need to find for edit profile, and as you can see on the right, you have the option of edit profile. Click on it, and after coming here, scroll down a bit, and then here is your profile name. Just simply enter a special character or something like that. So Steam does not process special characters, so if you type in some special characters, your name won't be visible to anyone, and then your name will be an invisible. So this even makes your name a bit cool in front of your friends and other group members. And when you are done, just simply click on save and you are done to get an invisible name on Steam. So this is how you can get an invisible name on Steam. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.